What's the meaning of Big Muddy? Big Muddy. Big Muddy.
Big Muddy. Big Muddy. The term Big Muddy is often used to refer to the Missouri River, which is the longest river in North America. The name comes from the muddy and murky appearance of the water, which is caused by the large amount of sediment that is carried downstream. The term has also been used in reference to other rivers or bodies of water that have a similar appearance. Additionally, Big Muddy can be used as a metaphor for any situation or problem that is complex, murky, or difficult to navigate. The term has been used in songs, literature, and popular culture to evoke a sense of struggle, perseverance, and overcoming obstacles.